In this module, we are going to talk about free trade and protectionism. Free trade is defined as an international trade which is left to its natural course accompanied by following characteristics: no tariffs, no quotas, no restrictions. And question is to whom it will suit. Basic rules: trade must be voluntary. All trading parties must get benefit from trade. The purpose of trade is to supply products from people who value them less to people who value them more. So, it is again an unevenness in the global economy. There are more countries with more economic resources. They are definitely going to grab the big chunk of that economic market, and it will deprive the developing world, especially the countries which are producing those products, are not going to take more advantage. What are the motives behind this? To get natural resources are materials which are required to make products, human capital, knowledge of manufacturing the product, physical capital, objects used to produce goods, saving and investing, exchanging knowledge and skills to meet the needs. All these motives are there just for free trade and protectionism. Protectionism is referred to the trade procedures and policies of government or state which ensures to protect the domestic businesses and industries from any foreign economic competition. Usually, countries believe that their local business should not be damaged with the foreign or multinational corporations which used to come and try to damage the local business. To protect the local industry from the foreign industry, the policy of protectionism is used just to give more incentives to the local businessman. Motives behind protectionism: protection of infant domestic industries, that I earlier mentioned in my previous slide, protecting jobs, revenue generation, national security, discouraging unethical practices, cultural preservation. If you could understand that free trade and protectionism, in fact, are the policies which are adopted by the Western world more efficiently as compared to the developing world. Question is how? As we all know, that West is more developed and they have more resources and they have more investment in the developing world as compared to the developing world, which has less investment in the developed part of the world. There are no multinational corporations of the developing world which are working efficiently in the developed part of the world. Therefore, this process of free trade is giving more advantages to the developed world because people of developed world can go any part of the world anytime. They have no visa restrictions. While on the other hand, the individuals from the developing part of the world, they have certain bureaucratic glitches and restrictions and they hardly get visas easily for having any free trade. On the other hand, big countries also protect their local industries successfully, but developing countries are unable to protect their industries, local industries, when they are competing with in international market. So this is how this free trade and protectionism is favoring more to the developed world.